So VPD is indeed quite versatile, but it doesn't just stop there. We can also choose where we scan on the wafer. So our first main concept here is edge exclusion, where the analysis are always performed according to your specific requirements, which means you can choose to include or exclude the outer rim of the wafer. But why would you exclude it? Because in any fab, the edges of the wafers are where robotic arms, cassettes, and handling mechanisms physically touches the silicon. So consequently, the edges often suffer from localized handling contamination that does not accurately reflect the yield of your active die area in the center. So to prevent this edge noise from skewing your overall trace metal data, we offer standard and custom edge exclusions. Typically ignoring the outer 2 mm or 5 mm from the edge during the droplet scan. Beyond just excluding the edge, we can also dictate exactly how the droplet moves across the face of the wafer through zonal targeting. So the most common approach is what I would call full surface scan, which gives us the standard aggregate measurement of the full wafer surface. However, if you're trying to diagnose like specific hardware failures, we can use these selected zones. This involves confining and scanning the droplet to specific quadrants or radial rings or just one half of the wafer. This is incredibly useful for troubleshooting localized tool issues. For example, if you suspect a gas shower head is leaking just on right side of your deposition chamber, we can then just scan that side, that half of the wafer, and compare it with the other half to test if there is more contamination on one side to confirm this hypothesis.